few weeks back, I asked one question in my class. How many of you have the problem with the teaching of either one or two teachers? Most of the students, they raised their hand. One of them said, I don't understand the maths explanation of my maths teacher. One of them said, history explanation of our history teacher is not so good. Okay. Then the next question was, how many of you would like to become a teacher in future? Unfortunately, only one student raised her hand. So if you expect the best teachers, okay, if you expect the best teachers, then why you people are not interested to become a teacher in future? Why this teaching profession is underestimated? Today we are going to talk about this. If you are interested to start your own educational institute, especially the coaching center, okay, or we can say the tuition classes, then this video is for them. If you are planning to start a coaching institute, or if you are already running the coaching institute, please do watch this video till end. This video is going to help you a lot. So, first of all, if you are thinking to start the educational institute, congratulations. I'm happy to see that people are thinking of working in this profession. Okay. Now, ask one question to yourself, that why you want to start this coaching center. If your answer is, it's my passion, I love teaching, you are at the right track, you are at the right place. Your students are going to be the most fortunate one. Okay. If your answer is, yes, I like teaching and parallelly, I also want to earn money. Yes, of course. Even this is not the wrong answer. Even this is the right answer, and even you are on the right track. But if your answer is, I was thinking for many days what to do, I was not getting any right option, then I saw here and there the tuitions are running well. So I'm thinking to start tuitions from the coming academic year. Then sorry, you are not at the right place. Either you have to change your option or you have to change your answer. Okay. Now, if you're on the right track, if you have decided that yes, I am going to start my coaching institute, then what are the requirements of this? The very first requirement is passion. Yes, as I said, this profession is only for the people who have passion for this teaching. Only the teachers who can put their heart along with their mind in teaching profession can become best teacher. Yes. Now, the next requirement. You have to make yourself strong. This teaching profession is not at all easy. It's not at all easy. We come across many challenges. Yes. Even after the days, even after weeks, even after many years, we face challenges. As the days changes, challenges also changes. Yes, along with the new day, along with the new year, we face new challenges too. So you have to prepare yourself to face the challenges. The next requirement is you have to make a firm decision. Whatever come across my path, I am not going to give up. I am going to survive in this path. I am going to give the best to my students. You have to make such firm decision and then start your journey. Now the next thing, before you put the board, okay, before you put the board of your institute or before you start the advertisement of your institute, you have to make some fixed guidelines. See, starting tuition, what you are going to teach, whom you are going to teach, because the requirement of tuition is right from the nursery level up to the college level. Yes, There is a demand for even nursery tuitions nowadays. Nursery, LKG, UKG. And actually the maximum patience is required for those students. In our institute, we give admission only from standard first, because to be very frank, I don't have patience to handle those small kids. Really. So if you are good enough in handling those kids, go for it. Miss, here what you have to do is analyze yourself, analyze your skills. Okay, find out at what you're best. If you're perfect in teaching up to 5th standard, go for it. If you're perfect in handling higher classes, go for it. If you think I only want to take for 8, 9, 10, go for it. Then if you think no, I don't want to go for school tuitions, I will start for the college students, go for it. So here you have to first find out at what you are best. You have to analyze yourself, decide. Second thing regarding the syllabus. See, when I was in school, I was knowing only about the state syllabus. But nowadays we have state syllabus, CBSE syllabus, ICSE syllabus, etc., etc., etc. So you have to decide first, okay, plan it properly and then go accordingly. If you want to start for different syllabus, that is if you want to start for state as well as CBSE, make different batches or appoint different teachers for that. Yes, this and only this is going to give you the best result. As per my personal opinion, don't mix up everything. If you really want the best result, go for different batches or appoint teachers for different things. Then the next thing is about the batches. Okay, make batches according to the requirement of the student and not according to the convenience of student and parents. There is a difference between requirement and convenience. Think over it. Means suppose if you fix 1.5 hour for 1st to 5th and next 1.5 hour for 6th, 7th, 8th or something like this, if you plan the batches, and if you get an inquiry of higher class, no madam, this we can't adjust in this time, please adjust so and so time for us. Don't do this mistake. Don't go according to the convenience. You check what is the requirement, accordingly you make the batches and only according to that you allot the admission. It will definitely give you the best result. Then the next thing is sitting arrangement. The student, when they come to the institute, they sit for at least 2 hours. Okay, at least 2 hours. So you check that the students, they sit comfortably. If you are taking tuitions at home and if you are making the students to sit on the floor, there is no harm in this. Not at all. You can go for that. Actually, that is the best sitting arrangement. Yes, actually that is the best yoga posture for studies. So there is no harm in this, but check that you make the best arrangement for the students and don't change this arrangement frequently. You can change it if you are taking any competition, if you are conducting any activity. In such case, you can definitely change the sitting arrangement, you can change the place, but don't change it frequently. Oh, chalo, today we will take class in this room, today we will take class in this room. Don't do it like this. So make a proper fixed sitting arrangement which is comfortable for the students. Then the next thing is your teacher's attire. Even if you are taking tuitions at home, okay, you are at your home, but students, they are coming at different place. So even if you are at your home, teacher should be always in a pleasing attire. And the students, they should feel they are not entering any house, but they are entering their educational institute. So that feel should come in students' mind. So teachers, you have to think over it. Now, one more important thing. Whatever time you allot for the tuition, don't forget that students, they deserve that time of yours. If you are taking tuition even at home, okay, please do not leave the class. Okay, even if you are taking the class at home, don't leave the class. Take care that you give that time. Please check that you give that allotted time to the students, because students, parents, they pay fees to us and they have full rights on that particular hours. Okay, they have full rights on those particular tuition hours, that is 2 hours, 3 hours, for whatever time you take the class. So you have to dedicate yourself only to that tuition class for that allotted time. Check that you don't do any of your personal work in that allotted time. The last but not the least requirement, okay, the last but not the least requirement of this profession is patience. Yes, patience. Immediately when you start, okay, you may not get the expected result. Means if you expect 25, 30, 50 students at a time, you may or may not get. But don't give up. Give a start. I started my classes with only 4 students. And Abacus, I started with 2 students. Yes. So don't give up. Patience is the most important essential factor in this field. So if you are planning to start your own educational institute in the coming academic year, all the best for them. Once you start your journey, in spite of following all these guidelines properly, we still come across many challenges. Yes, teaching profession is not difficult, but it's challenging. We have to always prepare ourselves to face different challenges. And what challenges we actually face in this journey will be discussed in our next video. The teachers who are watching this video and who are already running the educational institute, if you have any problem, you can drop your query in the comment box. We will definitely discuss about it in the upcoming video. So if you agree with the points which I shared in this video, okay, if you agree, please do share this video among your friends. And definitely we are going to meet in the next video to discuss the problems what we face in this journey. So to get the update of that video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is Rishraj Classes. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.